Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in the common rail diesel parts. Today I will introduce you one of our D-Nex Urea pump. First, please follow me. Let's take a look. That's the full looks of our pump. And for this one, it's the D-Nex Urea pump applicable for Volvo, and the OE number is 850222215. Original with netural packaging. Okay, then please follow me. Let's take a look. And first, you can look at this blue part. And for this one, it's electric machinery. And this position, you can see here, this position, this is that's the air pressure stabilizing valve. Okay, then from here you can see this black part. This is the urea temperature sensor. And for this green part, this green one is the air pressure sensor. And you can look at this one. This one is the inlet. Okay, this one is the inlet pipe. Yeah, first you can look at this position. For this position here, this one is the gas outlet. It has a yellow cap. And for this one is the air scope. Okay, then from this part, this is the metering unit. And also in this position, you will see a small label. Here are some informations with the product code and some OE numbers. Each of the spare parts, and we really focus on our accessories. So before we send to our customers, we'll make the test and we will check it so that we receive it. You can get the high quality product. And except this one, we should also supply with the 6 months warranty time to our customers. So during this warranty time, if you are not set with the qualities, it's okay. You can contact us. We can return it to exchange a product for you. And if you want to know more about our product, please, you can check our checkbook app, or you can send me by the comments below the videos. After I see that, I will help you to check it. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.